Is your goal to be thin or to be healthy? In our modern society, we have the illusion that thinness equals health, but that's often not the case. I know a lot of unhealthy thin people. Unfortunately, this drives a lot of people to believe that if they simply lose weight and become thin, they will now somehow be healthy. And it's simply not that simple. There's a lot of ways to lose weight that will actually worsen your health. So just the act of losing weight doesn't necessarily mean that you're now going to be a healthier person. You certainly can lose weight if you consistently reduce your caloric intake over time, or you're expending more energy, which will put you in a calorie deficit. But if your diet still consists of heavily processed foods and other aspects of your lifestyle are unhealthy, then you're not going to be a healthier person. You will simply be a thinner version of your unhealthy self. And some of you may be thinking, well, I don't care as long as I'm thin. It's unfortunate that you have that mindset, but I understand that this is often pushed by society. What you need to realize is prioritizing your health will help you to achieve sustainable weight loss, but will also improve your quality of life. Prioritizing your health will allow you to do all the things you felt like you couldn't do living in a sick body. And it can also help to reduce your medication need and your dependence on the healthcare system. So don't just make diet and lifestyle changes that are focused on your weight. Make changes that will help to improve your health as a whole. This is a cornerstone concept that I focus on in my program, Get Healthy to Lose Weight. If you're 50 pounds overweight or more and you have chronic illness and you want to learn about what changes you can make to actually improve your health and which will lead to weight loss over time, then follow.